Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So you guys can find it at the bottom of your device. You guys can clean it with something like a soft brush, but don't use anything metallic as you can only damage the port and it will be way worse than it is right now. So after you clean it thoroughly, what you guys can do next is go over here and find the recorder app. Now, as you guys can see, it's not right here, but you guys can also use the screen recorder. You guys can use sound, media, and mic. Let's click here. And now, here, make sure that it's media and mic. Now we can start recording. And now it's recording. It records our sound, and we will see if our microphone is working. So now I ended the recording. Let's go to the gallery, and here we will have our video. Now it's recording. As you guys can see, the microphone is working, but if your microphone is still not working, what you guys can do is update the software to fix any mic glitches, so it can actually help very well. Go over to the settings, and as you guys can see, I got a big notification that a software update is available. So let's click on update, and here, as you guys can see, we can schedule the install or we can install it now. So it's very important to update our software. It can fix a lot of glitches, including the microphone or speaker not working, and that's basically what you guys can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.